Meet the bold runabout vehicle, the Honda BR-V. The Honda BR-V is the leading competitor in the entry-level 7-seater segment, and I'm going to give you 5 reasons why. Number 1, it is the only entry-level 7-seater to feature or available with a 6-speed manual transmission. Number 2, it is the fastest among its competitors. Number 3, this particular elegance model is the only competitor to feature leather seats and 11 cup holders. That's a lot of cup holders. Number 4, it has the most ground clearance. And number 5, it is the widest and longest MPV multi-people vehicle in its class. The moral of the story? Never judge a latte by its mug. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.